Hey, it's Friday, and I wanted to do a song that was first time I heard it was I was in a ceramics class, and the person, one of my friends there, was whistling and singing the song, and it became real special for me. So I wanted to go ahead and do that for you today, called the Whistling Gypsy. Whistling gypsy, come over the hills, down through the valley so shady. He whistled and he sang till the greenwoods rang, and he won that heart of a lady. Ah-de-doo, ah-de-doo, da-de. Ah-de-doo, ah-de-day-oh. He whistled and he sang till the greenwoods rang, and he won that heart of a lady. She left her father's castle gate, she left her own fine mother, she left her servants and her state to follow her gypsy lover. Ah-de-doo, ah-de-doo, ah-de. Ah-de-doo, ah-de-day-oh. He whistled and he sang till the greenwoods rang, and he won that heart of a lady. That's She left behind her velvet gown and boots of Spanish leather. They whistled and they sang till the greenwoods rang, and they rode off together. Ah-de-doo, ah-de-doo, da-day. Ah-de-doo, ah-de-day-oh. They whistled and they sang till the greenwoods rang, as they rode off together. Last night she slept on a goose feathered bell, with seeking sheets for a cover. Tonight she'll sleep on a cold, cold ground, beside her gypsy lover. Ah-de-doo, ah-de-doo, da-day. Ah-de-doo, ah-de-day-oh. They whistled and they sang and the greenwoods rang, as they rode off together. I hope you like that song. It touches my heart. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. You stay healthy, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.